Introducing the Henley Aurora 1500, where elegance meets innovation. Experience the features that make the Aurora truly exceptional. Our cutting-edge 3D technology creates lifelike flames. Adjust the heat from your couch and set your desired temperature effortlessly. Control the Aurora manually with the remote or through our user-friendly app. Exclusive lock set for a natural touch. For finer adjustments, use our included manual remote or download our app. Control your fireplace from the comfort of your sofa with your smartphone. Adjust the flame intensity to suit your mood, from subtle glows to roaring fires. Tailor the brightness to match your room's lighting. Impress guests by showcasing the Aurora's features to set the perfect mood for your next gathering. Choose from 16 flame effect colors and 16 fuel bed colors. Easily change the log colors to match the decor and style of your home. Customize the ember bed color to enhance your fireplace's ambience. Ask your local stockist to see the Henley Aurora 1500 in person. Experience the perfect blend of elegance and innovation. Visit today.